Hello and welcome back. This is Walid. In this video, you will learn the essential tips and tricks for customizing your WordPress e-commerce site, making it stand out in this competitive market. You know, over 30% of all online stores owners using WordPress for their e-commerce business. Many e-commerce site owners struggling with making their site unique and user-friendly. That's why leading to lost their sales and frustrated customers. In this tutorial, I will show you how to customize your online store like a pro. The right themes and plugins to optimize your site speed and user experience. I will cover the all essential steps. Are you ready to take your WordPress e-commerce site to the next level? Let's get started. In my last video, I showed how to build an e-commerce website just in 1 minute. If you missed my video, please check out my description. As you can see, I am now in my website dashboard. First, we'll learn how to update a website. Let's check our website themes. Click on Appearance. Then this is our themes. So this is our activated themes. And you can delete the other all themes. And for the plugins, when it come new update, just simply update all plugins. First, we'll update our website menus. So it's for, we have to click on Customize. Open another tab. Then we'll customize menus and we'll update the logo. One more problem is when I click on these icons, it's redirect to another website. Like this is our website link, and when I click on here, then it's going to this website. It's another website, so we have to change it. After clicking the customize, we will see this interface. Here is the header builder option. Simply click on here, then update the website link. Go to our website dashboard and go to the page. Here is the my account page. Simply view it and copy it. One more problem is our website permalink. It's look like it's a page ID like this. Let's update the website permalinks. Go to WordPress dashboard, hover on settings, click on permalinks. Then simply select post names and save changes. Reload this page. Now it looks good. Copy it and update this URL. Publish it. Let's change the logo. Simply change the image. Add alter text. Here is our update logos. I think this size is okay. If you think this size is not okay, then you can increase your size from this option and you can decrease from here. So 140 is okay. Let's just publish and reload the website. Our logo is changed and this links also working fine. If you want to update your website menu, then you have to back website dashboard, then hover appearance and menus. If you want to add one more pages, or if you want to delete something, you don't want to about us page at the top, then simply remove it and save changes. Also, if you want to add new pages on header, then simply select which page do you want to add here. Like let me add my account page. Add a menu, then you can see simply save menu. Load the website menu is updated. Now when you want to update the website background images, website content and everything, like when you want to update the website buttons, then simply click on Edit with Elementor. When you click Edit with Elementor, you will see this interface. We are using Elementor free plugins. That's why it's showing this one. If you want to upgrade your Elementor, then simply go to elementor.com website. Then as you can see, there have a products and page builder option. And here is the page builder. You can purchase the premium plugins from here. For quick access, I will add Elementor website link in my description. Anyway, let's back to update our website. If you want to change this website background, simply click on here and go to style. See, here is the image. Simply choose an image. If you want to update from your computer, simply upload the files from here. Okay, let's add this one. Select this one, select here. See, our background image is changed. Like our background position is center. If you want to change it, you can apply it center left like this way. You can change the attachment from here. When you add fixed, it will be fixed. When scroll like this way. If you want just scroll, that's okay. It's scrollable. Then repeat is no repeat. Display size is cover. And if you want to add any overlay, just simply click on background overlay. Then simply click on the color. Like right now I have black. Black is okay. And here is the opacity option. You can change the opacity from here. Gradient opacity is good. Leave it, no problem. If you want to change the website title or website description text, by clicking here, you can change the website title from here. And by clicking the style, you can change the text color from here. If you don't like the font family, click on typography and select the family. There have 1,000 of fonts, so you can choose any fonts. Then you can increase or decrease your text size from here. You can set font weight. You can set the text transform option from here. Right now I have uppercase. You can leave it default or you can leave it. Also there have a alignment option. By clicking left, the alignment will be left. By clicking the right, center or justify. So I think left is fine. For the button text, just simply click on here and change the button. For this button clickable, simply search on shop. Here is the shop buttons. If you think you want to add just a specific products links here, just go to this page, or you can go to your dashboard, then simply click on products. If you want to add specific product links, simply click on view, copy the product links, paste it here. Just simply publish. Go to the website, reload it, click on here. The button is clickable now. Anyway, for the title, buttons, website description, it's the same process, same way. For change the description, simply click on here. You can update the description from here. Welcome to Beauty Flawless Skin. By clicking the style, you can change the text style from here. If you want to change the image, by clicking here, you can change the image from here. Also, you can upload files or upload image from your computer, or you can select image from here. Let's select another image like this one. Simply select. This image quality is very bad. That's why showing this way. If you want to increase the size, like image size, simply click on style. Then width should be 100%. If you want to decrease it, right this way. It's good right now. I think the old image is good. So let's back it. For this button, if you want to see this button, go to the About Us page. Simply search on About, then link it. This button link up with your About Us pages. Then you can see the About page like this one. So I have linked up with this link. Now by clicking here, you can see there is a icons and there is a text and description. When you click on here, you can see the title option and description options here. You can change the icons from here. Simply click on here. There have almost 1,000 of icons. Simply select on any icons and insert it. Say this icon is changed. If you want to change the icons styles and font styles, simply click on style. Here is the box option. Here is the icon option. Here is the red now. You can update other colors, and if you think the size is very low, simply increase it. For the content, here is the title option and here is the description option. It's the same process as I showed before. You can change the font family here. You can change the size. It's the same way for this and these elements. If you want this style, you want to apply those elements, simply copy it and paste style. For background image change, simply click on here. By clicking here, you can change the background image. And title and buttons, already you know how to change it. Okay, one more thing is left for the products. By clicking here, there have an option product limit. For product option, you want 3 columns. Simply click on 3. The product will be 3 columns. Now this page, our home page showing 8 products in total. Let's limit the 6 products. When you click on 6, it's a 6 products is showing. If you want to update the testimonial sections, then simply click on here and you can update the content from here. You can update images and you can update the name, title. You want to add the client's social media or client's website link, you can add it here. Also for the icons, simply click on here and you can see there have two options, like a solid options and outline option. You can click on outline option or you can add a solid option. Also there have a one more option is in the icon option, there have a two options, font awesome or Unicode. I think these icons looks very good. Just copy it and paste the style like this way. You can add your Instagram photos from here. By clicking here, you can add images from here. Also, if you want to add your Instagram feed here, then you have to add a API key. In my next video, I will show you how to add directly Instagram post. Like when you post your Instagram, it will show directly on your website. Now, simply publish the website. Let's visit the website. Here is the website looks. The all buttons is clickable now, and see there is the 3 products here. Everything is updated. Okay, if you want to change these sections, simply hover the edit with Elementor and click the before footer. Then you can change. Simply click on here and change the icons and text like this way. If you want to add free delivery option, you can update the text from here, then publish it. Now I will show you how to add a new products on your website. As you can see, now I am now in my dashboard. Go to the products. If you want to delete a products, simply click on crash button, then it will be delete. And if you think you want to add new products, simply click on add new products. Then here should be products name. Here should be products description. Let's copy a description text and select a product image like this one. Simply set a products. Here should be the simple products price like 49. You can add a product categories, product tag option here, body wash, flawless, beauty items, anything. If you have many images including these products, simply add a product gallery images option, select multiple image and import it. When everything is done, simply publish it. The product name is product name. Okay, let's view the products. Here is our new products and here is the products gallery. So we don't need these products. Let's delete it, crash it. Now I will show you how to change the store currency. Hover the WooCommerce and click the settings. You can select your store country. I'm located in Bangladesh. That's why it's selected by automated. You can update United States, like you can add states, everything. You can add your currency from here. Then simply save changes. There have a shipping options. You can add a shipping option here. Click on here, worldwide, all countries. Shipping method should be flat rate. Continue. The cost should be $10. Create and save. Then go to the payment option. If you have the Stripe, then simply enable it and finish the setup. Allow cards, MasterCards, Visa cards, American Express, Discover, JCB or Union Pay and Diners Club. Simply change it. It's a dummy Stripe accounts. If you want to add your payment gateway, then simply click on here. You have to connect your Stripe. Anyway, go back to the payments. I will set up the cash on delivery options. Finish setup and save it. If you go to our website and products, as you can see, cash on delivery is enabled. Stripe not enabled because we did not connect our Stripe account. Now I will show you how to manage the order. If you go to the WooCommerce and click the orders, then you can see your all orders here. Actually I already placed an order, that's why showing this order. If you see, here is the checkout page, already placed an order. A customer can track their orders using order number and their email. But when we design the website using Astra, then the order tracking page is not coming up automatically. We need to create a tracking page. Let's create a new page. Our page name will be track order. Template should be Elementor default template. Publish. Then click edit with Elementor. Now we will design the order tracking page. Flex, container, add a container. Now title here. Track your order. The text alignment should be center, and WooCommerce gave us a shortcode, so we just need to add a shortcodes on our website, then tracking page will work automatically. Just drag and drop the shortcode and paste the shortcode. Now by clicking here, let's design something. Okay, select center. The width should be 800 and top padding 5, bottom padding 5. Can add little more, 7. Click here, container, and add a padding like 3 paddings. Let's add a background. This is the opacity option. I think it looks good now. Let's add a border radius. Perfect. Let's check the responsiveness by clicking tablet. When a visitor or a customer coming with their tablet, visitor will see the website this. Now click right here. I will add 5. I think looks good now. In mobile version, it looks like this. 5. I will add 10% in top, bottom is 10%. Add a title size 25 pixel on phone. I think it looks good now. Top have a small gaps. Let's reduce the gap. Just simply minus 25. Yeah, 25 is good. Let's publish this page. And now let's add this page at the top and bottom. By clicking menu, add a new menu. We can add it. Track order. We don't need this page. Just remove it. And save menu. Perfect. Let's visit the website now. Okay, our website is fully ready now. Track order page. Now customer can track their orders using order numbers and email. Track. Okay, this order was placed and this order currently on hold. If you go to the order page, as a website owner, simply click on here. Just click on apply. When website owner added the processing, the customer can see this option. The order is processing. Just reload it. Track again. See, this order is processing. So this is the way to add a tracking page on our website. Right now our website fully ready to sell a products or sell any type of products. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tips on enhancing your online store. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.